Hey lovelies, it's Hungwana Boss Collective, and today we're doing part 21 of Be Your Own Resource. So like I said yesterday, we were talking about the guide to top YouTube growth strategies, routines, not strategies. And we're going to be talking about some of the people and what they do. So the daily growth routine of Mr. Beast is wake up, obsess, go to bed every day. Obviously filming content and stuff. Daily growth routine of Amy Landino is the 3 M's: movement, mindfulness, and mastery. So the next one is daily growth for Manifestation Babe. Wake up at 6 a.m., read for 1 hour, meditate for 20 minutes, work out, walk, chant affirmations, and go for another walk. I know she does a lot more things than that too, but those are some of the top YouTube growth routines. And another thing is my YouTube growth routine is basically I film when I'm at my highest energy. So that means that I try not to film when I'm depressed or sad, and I try to only film when I'm feeling good, which, you know, doesn't always happen because you need to make content, right? But I try to film when I'm in the best mood possible and I have the highest energy possible so that I can give you guys the best version of myself and just be the most confident and happiest version of myself. So by doing that, some of the things I do is I wake up when my body tells me to in the morning. So probably around 10 a.m. I wake up most days. And then I eat breakfast. And then after that, I will maybe play a game or something. And like right now I'm playing Saint Row, the newest one. And then I will eat lunch, and then I will come up here, have a shower, do a full skincare routine, hair routine, and then I will sit down, let my hair dry, and put on a nice outfit. I've been putting on makeup lately, so the last few videos you've seen have been me wearing makeup. So just making myself look the best I can. And then after that, I will go and be with my partner, and we'll have a nice supper and we'll play some video games. And on the weekends, I don't work because I want to give my full attention to the person I'm with. And yeah, so that's just basically how it goes. And as of late, I've been making about 3 to 5 videos a week consistently, and I've been pretty happy with that. Started coming back full-time, I would say 2 months ago when I moved back here. Started being more full-time. I definitely was really part-time for the last few years, and I really missed being full-time creator. So I'm back and I'm excited, and yeah, there are lots of different ways to live, but that's how I find makes me the most happy and gets me to show up every day. So you've got to make a schedule that helps your growth as a person on YouTube and in your life. So I'd love to hear your routine, and you can put it down below. What works for you, what makes you happy, and what gets you filming every day. I guess.